Cybersecurity awareness and training is an essential aspect of protecting both individuals and organizations in today's digital landscape. With cyber threats evolving at an unprecedented pace, the necessity for robust user education has never been more critical. Users often serve as the first line of defense against cyber attacks, making it vital for them to understand the risks and best practices associated with online behavior. One of the primary reasons user education is imperative is that human error remains a leading cause of data breaches. A simple act, such as opening a phishing email or using a weak password, can jeopardize sensitive information. By providing comprehensive training, organizations can empower their employees with knowledge about potential threats, teaching them to recognize warning signs and respond appropriately. This proactive approach significantly reduces the likelihood of a successful cyber attack. Moreover, cybersecurity awareness training fosters a culture of security within organizations. When employees are educated on the importance of protecting data and resources, they become more vigilant and responsible in their online activities. This cultural shift not only enhances security measures but also promotes a collective responsibility towards maintaining a safe working environment. A well-informed workforce is less likely to compromise security protocols, ultimately leading to a more resilient organization. In addition to mitigating risks, user education can also enhance compliance with various regulations and standards. Many industries are bound by specific cybersecurity requirements that mandate employee training. By regularly updating training programs, organizations can ensure that their employees are informed about the latest regulations and best practices. This compliance not only helps avoid legal repercussions but also builds trust with clients and partners who value data security. Lastly, cybersecurity awareness and training should never be a one-time event. With the constantly changing threat landscape, ongoing education is crucial. Regular refreshers, updates on emerging threats, and assessments of employee knowledge can help maintain a secure environment. By fostering continuous learning, organizations can adapt to new challenges and ensure their defenses remain strong against ever-evolving cyber threats. In conclusion, the importance of user education in cybersecurity cannot be overstated. By empowering users, fostering a culture of security, ensuring compliance, and committing to ongoing training, organizations can significantly enhance their resilience against cyber attacks. As we navigate the complexities of the digital age, prioritizing cybersecurity awareness is not just a responsibility, it's a necessity for safeguarding our critical assets.